Wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. every morning to get ready for school. Brush teeth. After waking up, I brush my teeth to keep them clean. Take a shower. I take a shower before getting dressed for school. Get dressed. After showering, I get dressed in my school uniform. Have breakfast. My mom makes me pancakes for breakfast before school. Pack school bag. After breakfast, I pack my school bag with books and supplies. Commute to school. I commute to school by bus every morning. Attend classes. I attend math, science, and English classes in the morning. Take notes. During class, I take notes to help me study later. Participate in discussions. I raise my hand to participate in class discussions. Eat lunch. At lunchtime, I eat with my friends in the school cafeteria. Study for exams. In the afternoon, I study for upcoming exams in the library. Do homework. After school, I do my homework before dinner. Complete assignments. I complete assignments for various subjects each day. Play sports. I play soccer with my friends after school on Fridays. Have snacks. I have a snack after school to recharge before homework. Socialize with friends. In the evening, I hang out with my friends at the park. Listen to the teacher. During class, I listen to the teacher explain the lesson. Ask questions. If I don't understand something, I ask the teacher questions. Use the restroom. During breaks, I use the restroom if I need to. Take break. I take short breaks between classes to relax. Read textbooks. I read my history textbook to prepare for a quiz. Write essays. For English class, I write an essay on a novel we're reading. Solve math problem. In math class, I solve equations on the board. Present project. I present my science project to the class. Attend assemblies. I attend a school assembly to listen to guest speakers. Use the library. I use the library to research for my history project. Study in the library. I study quietly in the library after school. Review lessons. Before a test, I review my notes from class. Attend tutoring sessions. I attend tutoring sessions to get extra help with math. Listen to announcements. I listen to the principal's announcements over the intercom. Participate in group activities. In art class, I work on a group project with my classmates. Clean up after activities. After art class, we clean up the paintbrushes and supplies. Organize school materials. I organize my notebooks and folders before leaving school. Practice music instruments. I practice playing the piano after school. Conduct science experiments. In science class, we conduct experiments to learn about chemical reactions. Art projects. I work on an art project for the school art show. Drama rehearsals. After school, I have drama rehearsals for the school play. Prepare for tests. I study flashcards to prepare for my history test. Visit the school nurse. If I'm not feeling well, I visit the school nurse for help. Collaborate on group projects. I collaborate with my classmates on a group presentation. Receive feedback from teachers. After turning in my essay, I receive feedback from my English teacher. Discuss grades with teachers. I schedule a meeting with my math teacher to discuss my grades. Plan for future assignments. I use my planner to plan for upcoming assignments. Collaborate with classmates. I collaborate with my classmates on a science project. Reflect on the day's learning. Before bed, I reflect on what I learned in school today.